It's a touchdown.
Don't even try. Oh, calm down. No one actually knows what that means. So. Yes, those are cars. What is up with the cars and submarines?
Stop it.
That was a big number. Touchdown.
Oh, come on. That's it.
Way to get that.
Got a kid. Got a kid, Jacob.
Oh my gosh. I think he said rooster chicken. Yep, rooster chicken.
Touchdown.
I think. Oh, wow. Orange grape. Orange grape. Yeah, we know it's going to say it like 7 times. Oh my God. Third down. together or something that goes together. Chevrolet convertible.
What's that?
Really? Ooh.
I got outswitched too. Freshen up my breath.
Go get him! Oh my gosh!
75 is huge. Oh
Kicked off!
God.
Oh.
Dry rub
Of what?
of jalapenos. Put it on my pizza and it was so good.
Wait, are they actually spicy?
The nuggets? Yeah, they're really spicy.
Oh, go get. Oh my gosh, that kid just got blown up. And that kid got blown up.
Again.
Ew. No.
Dang, that's spiraled more than the pizza.
Pick it up and run it.
That's not these.
Chevrolet, Volkswagen or something? He's been yelling it. Like that.
Let him play the game. Yelling in his face. Look at her.
Green and gold?
I'm just not a fan of green.
No?
Nope.
I mean, you're from Hawaii. All there was like, what? Tan and blue?
Oh.
Throw the ball!
Oh my.
And a fumble.
That's not good.
Presenting Wendy's.
Spicy nugs.
Wendy's spicy nuggets. Nice! Out of kid! The Wendy's.
Get some spicy nugs.
Home of the spicy nuggets, flurry, and medium fry for a whole $5.
You mean Frosty, not McFlurry.
Excuse me.
Oh my gosh, not again. Are you serious?
Stop it, though, please.
Spicy nugs. Spicy nugs.
Spicy nugs 420. First spicy nugs 420.
420. Why 420?
Ooh, that was a good cut in. Nice.
Dude, you're the quarterback. You should just run down. Strip the ball from the man.
I really wanted sushi. I got some spicy sushi.
And I didn't want to go anywhere.
Nope, I didn't have a car. Yeah! I did drive, but it was not my car. It was our Prius.
Jeez, you guys were like freaking out about me taking a hand off the steering wheel. I almost didn't turn though.
Oh.
Go get him!
Ooh, that's a dime. Yeah, the kid!
Take
Get
that
downhill!
Take that way!
Oh!
Take that bad way to the house!
That's a pick six!
Oh, he's got room for days!
Oh!
got room for days!
Jeff Farm!
No! Stop it.
He's yelling so
Deep. Where is it at?
secure the ball now. Oh, nice. Wicked.
Submarine was the first one. He was like, yellow submarine, yellow submarine.
Red Apple 72.
He said, what, pink Cadillac?
Oh, he is gone. Okay, jeez. Oh, I want to play with a bunch of chickens. Blue Ocean, 45. Let's see what Blue Ocean 45 is. That's a double blitz. What?
Who has the ball?
person that just got.
Yeah, take this.
Hunter, come on, here.
Come on, Hunter.
45 motion. Oh. They're doing a lot of.
White oranges.
Yellow daffodil. Rainbow rose. Ooh,
Purple.
what a toss.
Purple dragon.
More motion. Motion.
What happened?
Oh, wow. Good yardage. Need the sass, Patty.
Why would you just put it like on a table?
Motion. Oh, motion. Oh. You should throw it. Yeah. Not
We're gonna practice.
K-gap.
And Mr. Ramey, Alex's dad was like, you gotta go through the a-hole. It's just the funniest thing.
Any other government class doesn't fit my schedule that I want, so
That was the only one that worked for you?
AP Gov or no Gov at all, and I have to take Gov next year, which I'm not gonna do.
Are you gonna wrestle again this year? Good. What school? What school? Is it like a little guy or is it SUW?
Touchdown!
Bodie. A Gap goes through the B Gap, just insane forward. To Ryan, right?
You're in the D gap.
And touchdown.
Oh, he hit the.
Oh shoot. Alright.
Chuck it. Throw it. Throw through the field goal.
Oh. Get on it. Boom.
Love it. Touchdown. Took the ball.
Lucas, don't let him double you. Take that outside kid hard, drive him out. Pick him up!
Nice.
That kid, stuff.
And yell, go, in their ear. Go. I didn't hear anything. You're... Oh. Actually going for the fourth down. Let's see how this works. Nice! Okay. Try whenever they snap.
So we go from 31st. He plays like a baby, so. And he smacks people them off the whole game. So. It almost worked out! It didn't work out.
Like, it is the same sweatshirt on.
It's Aiden's cooler. I don't know why he has those things.
They're Seahawks fans.
Yeah, they're Seahawks fans. Come on. Oh, dang it. Oh, hit him. And a pick. Oh.
Butterfingers.
Oh no!
Oh. Nice. Thank you. They're down. And I'm out. Oh, snap.
Oh my gosh, he's just.
He took his time, bro.
Oh my gosh, why did he stop?
Oh,
Shoot, start it.
go, 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 go.
Go.
Blitz up the middle. And he's taking
Attack the men, man. Than this year, but like, it's not like when we had Silas and those guys, so. Oof. Are you? Oh,
wow.
27-45.
Ryan just laid a kid out. Oh, nice!
Oh, we made it!
Oh, yeah, he made
No
it!
way! Go! Get in there! Where are you going? Got or miss.
Another one.
Throw it!
Nice kick. Oh my gosh.
Another one? Yeah, Austin.
Austin, tighten down. Gosh. Jeez.
Freaking down, dude.
Hi, kid. Nice.
These seconds just got to the downs!
Yeah. Nice. That's quick.
Oh my god.